This 2018 Tiffin Phaeton 40IH is a Class A RV. It is located in Apopka, Florida, 32703 and is offered for sale by Central Florida RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Tiffin is 41 feet 4 inches in length and features a sterling interior, sleeps 8, TV, leveling jacks, slide-out, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, awning, refrigerator, LP detector, water heater, and 100-gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front entertainment. This 2018 Tiffin Phaeton 40IH is built on a Tiffin Powerglide chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.